Welcome to VinJin Vlogs. Today is a cooking session. So excited to show you guys, and today I am in charge of the cooking. Today we are going to make a quick and easy chicken biryani when you are away from India. So with the things that we get, we'll just adjust and make. It wouldn't taste exactly like the authentic one, but we'll still try to make it somewhat similar to that. So let's start with the onion business. Onion cutting. Take my
knife skills,
okay? See the tattoo and all this. So always you have to catch your fingers inside and cut towards the end. So for biryani you need these kind of slice, thin slice. Then take another. Always keep it like this. Don't catch like this. You'll get cut. So the pan is heated. Pour some good amount of oil. If you have a lot of onion, so that will be good for now. We don't have ghee, so that's the first sacrifice you are making. You have no whole spices. Second sacrifice. No mint leaves, no curry leaves, no
coriander.
With all those kind of sacrifices we are going to make. Let's see how it tastes, but still we'll try to make it the best as possible. So I'm just doing this so that it all comes out and the cuttings are separated and from the before putting into the hot oil. Just do that. Tomato always put it into half, and then the same method, just slice it this way. Take this out, and someone likes tomato, so you can have. That's it, because we have. If I give, she'll eat all of this. She will not have it for biryani only, so no more. If you want, you can eat these.
No, I'm not interested in that.
No need.
Give me the pulp one.
Not required. Finish.
Ayyo, I can't reach. Okay.
When you cut a tomato, this is all what you need to be left with to throw. So now the oil is really hot. Just gonna put the onion really quick. So there you go. Just be careful so that the oil doesn't splash. Just put the whole thing and just wait for a long time for it to sweat down
And caramelize.
Yeah.
Nice.
So there's one more thing I want to show you. Last night we had kept the chicken marinated. So it's like a overnight marination. Just going to show you guys how it looks. So I've put Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, biryani masala, ginger garlic paste, lime juice, salt, and one more special ingredient, which is fried onion. So this we'll use it for marination as well as for the rice, then as well as for the the biryani curry. So all of those. So once you marinate it overnight, it's in the fridge. So before cooking, like when you start cooking, just keep it out, because you don't want to put cold chicken into the curry directly. That will make the chicken sweat out all the moisture and make it harder. So let it be out so that you have enough time for it to come to the room temperature. And just let's give a stir here. For the biryani is the rice, and we need to be really careful about that, because we've got basmati rice, which is the best. So we need to soak the rice. So first we need to wash the rice, then we need to soak the rice at least for 2 hours. Can you get the smell, the aroma? Yeah. So you need to soak it. Is really important, and let me tell you why. Because when you soak the rice, the starch content comes out. When you wash it, normally when you cook for eating, you take off a little bit of the starch and the dirt that's there in the rice. But when it comes to biryani, you would have noticed sometimes when you make it, the biryani gets really mushy. That's because of the starch content making the rice mushy when it's cooked, or a little bit overcooked. And we never tend to get that exact timing right for the biryani, where the rice just falls apart from each other and it just stays one by one. So one trick that everyone does is, you soak it for 2 hours, take off the maximum starch you can take it off. That's the best idea. And what we are going to do is, we are not going to cook rice and the curry together today.
Because we don't have a cooker here.
Yeah, we don't have a cooker, and so we have to find some other method. So what we are going to do is, we're going to cook it in the microwave. The proportion is for 1 cup rice, you need 2 cups water. And if it's soaked for 2 hours, probably 1.5 cups of water. So I've drained the water out from the rice, and let's put it to the microwave container so that we can cook. This is 2 cup rice, and we're going to put almost 3.5 cups of water. So that's 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So then what we will add is, we'll add some cardamom pods, just for the taste, and then probably 2 tablespoons of oil. Just put that, and then you can see the onion if you want. How it's come. It's just really slow, so be very patient. Let it be. Then finally you just put some salt for the taste, because it's biryani. Normally you don't. And then mix the whole thing. Do you want to put more cardamom pods, do you think? Is it
No.
this amount?
Enough.
It's enough, right?
Very strong. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just close it.
Okay.
Then we put it in the microwave. Heat it here. And then press the rice. So one serve. And yeah. So now it's the time of waiting. Let's wait for this thing to just caramelize, and it should be just brown. Normally what happens when you cook chicken, which for the biryani, it gets hard because it stays too much on heat while you cook the curry and when you mix it. So what we're going to do today is, we have this much amount of chicken, so I'm going to take half of it and use it for the biryani masala. Obviously you need the chicken taste for the masala, but the other half I'm going to pan fry it with the same masala. I'm just going to pan fry it normally so that it retains the moisture and it's soft and tender to eat. So the biryani, the pieces that's made with the biryani masala, let it be. But this we'll serve it separately for, it's more softer and more better. So for people who loves soft chicken and doesn't like the stringy ones or the hard ones, will be a great help. Especially like you.
Me.
She doesn't eat even one piece of stringy, or if it's a little bit hard. The proximity for her, for that softness is so high. Even if it's little hard, she cannot eat.
Yes.
It's not like me. I can eat even raw.
Because I have not eaten this from
Childhood.
I've just started.
So periodic stirring is required. As you guys can see, it's brown. This is the color you want to get. So let's put the tomatoes. So that's the next step we need to do. So let's take these and just slide it in. And now we need to wait for these tomatoes to cook a little bit. So it's time to start adding the other ingredients for the masala. First, we're going to put ginger garlic paste, which is one of the most important. So let's put like 2 to 3 spoons, really generous. And there you go. And let's give it a mix. And next we're going to add some peas. There you go. Some peas. Looks really colorful, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we have just finished cooking the rice. So let's just see how it looks. Perfectly cooked. Isn't it?
Really long grains, no? Can I
Yeah.
touch?
So just stir it and show you.
Oh.
Show you that.
Let me-
See, it's just so neat and perfect. And we need to keep
it
it to...
tastes so good, you know.
Really?
Full cardamom flavor is there.
Oh. And now let's add other ingredients. Which
Masala
is
time.
masala time. First we're gonna put some garam masala. 1 teaspoon. A big huge teaspoon, or maybe a little more.
According to your spice level.
Yeah.
And we wanted really spicy.
Yeah, today we are in for a spicy biryani. And you can keep the flame little low when putting all this so that it doesn't get burnt. So next is the Kashmiri chili. Good amount, no problem, no harm. Because we are having 2 cups, right? So it may look more now, but you know, the chicken stock.
That's a chicken stock.
Yeah. Just gonna put a little bit. This enhances the taste. And then finally we have the biryani masala.
Yeah. The key.
The king
Powder.
The key powder of the whole thing.
Oh.
Just emptied it.
Empty.
Of course. Just cool.
I just can't wait.
Yeah.
to eat.
So we have just put all those spices and just gonna give a quick stir before putting in the key ingredient. So this is how it looks now. Really amazing. It's really good. Going to put generous amount of salt, and there you go. Gonna give a quick mix. So now we're gonna put chicken. Finally, the key ingredient. Just gonna put this marinated chicken pieces here. There you go. And few pieces we're going to keep it for frying for later.
Doesn't it look so tasty?
And leave it to cook some more time. So let's just turn off the heat. It's enough for now. It's cooked well. The chicken is also cooked, and the onions are caramelized to its tastiest maximum. So just leave it there.
It looks like ghee roast for
Doesn't
me.
it? First, let's put a layer of rice. And be very gentle with the rice so that it doesn't break. So you just take it slowly. And put a layer. The masala. Put it on the rice. So just spread it across. Let's switch on the heat, and it's already hot. Let's pour some oil. There you go. For what? For the rest of the chicken. Ooh, the chicken is heated. We can put these pieces to get the tender chicken. So the oil is heated. We're gonna put these pieces.
Like 65.
Yeah. This is the masala. These pieces have been cooked well, so we're just gonna turn off the heat. Put the fried onion. There you go. Let's start serving. So we're just gonna take it here and just take this. How does it look?
Damn good.
There you go.
Oh, so masala.
Yeah.
Yee.
And take this part. I'm gonna put it here. How does it look? Looks
I
like
just can't wait to try it out.
looks like that. What Lucknowi biryani? What is it?
I don't
Kind
know.
of, right? Okay, the next one.
Oh my god. The layers have come out really good,
Yeah,
huh?
it's really good. Looks really. chicken. Let's take the rice.
This is yours.
There you go.
Cheers, buddo.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. Damn, so good.
Feels damn good. So hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video of ours, and even though we did a lot of sacrifices, it really turned out to be super duper good, and which proves if you give it time, heart and cook with love, anything can be made tasty. And what do you have to say?
I love the taste actually. The masala is very good and the chicken is too tender and it's perfect for me. And thank you so much for cooking for me and making biryani.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video too. We'll be making more of these very soon. So until next time, see you guys, and let's end up with a big
Super.
Bye.